Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Welcome to Where's Waldo Arabic Letters Edition. My name is Bilal Khan, coming at you from Space City, aka Houston. In this video, we are going to be searching for tacos because we're in Houston, aka Tejano Taco. What do I mean? You might be looking at me like, what is going on? Well, what happened? Oh yeah, this one. Don't worry about that, guys. So, Tejano Tacos, aka in Arabic, we call it the letter Ta, right? Now, that looks like a taco to me with two different toppings on the inside, maybe chicken and beef, or pico de gallo and chicken, or cilantro and beef. However you like your tacos, if you could only choose two things to put inside, that becomes the letter Ta for taco. And so, how does Ta appear? How do you know what to look for? Because in this passage, it's 6 lines worth of searching. How do we know what it looks like? Well, first, let's consider what it looks like in the beginning. So in the beginning, it would look like this, right? 2 eyes and the letter, right? Or in the middle, it would look like this. And then in the end, it would look like that. So now, there are some special ways that taco appears, but the question is, does it have a unique factor, which is it has 2 dots? So any letter that has 2 dots, we're going to investigate as to whether or not it is a taco. So let's get going. Let's look for tacos. I'm getting hungry just thinking about tacos. I like tacos. What kind of tacos do you like? Let me know down in the comments below. Leave me, what is your favorite taco combo? Let's get started here. First word, we've got Muhammad. Do you see any tacos there? I don't see any tacos there. Do you think the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ would enjoy tacos? Let me know. Let's keep going. We've got Rasulullah. I don't see any ta there. Let's make this really fast in terms of scanning across the letters. Look for the double dot at the top, right? Any double dot, any double dot, double dot, double dot. We don't see, oh, we got a triple dot. Nope, that's not what we're looking for. Any double dot, double dot, double dot, double dot, double dot. Nope, no double dot here. Oh, we've got a double dot here. We've got the ta, and it looks just like this one. Boom, our first taco. Tera. Here we go. Keep going. Any more double dots? Double dots. Double. Oh, we've got another double dot. Yabtahuna with a ta, with what's it called? We'll talk about these little signs, the straight lines up top and the straight lines at bottom. Not now, maybe in the future video. But just know that that is a ta. How do we know it's a ta? Because we know in our briefing that this is what it looks like in the middle. Keep going. Any more ta, 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 taco. No tacos here. Keep going. Keep going. Any more tacos? Look for them tacos here. Up. We've found one. Look at that. So middle, in this case, it's a little bit different because the letter here is lam, taco, wow. So if we do that, we do lam, taco, wow, boom, boom. That's what we've got. And so at the end, that's what it ends up looking like. If we keep going, any more, we've got triple. Nope. Keep going. Any more double dots, double dots. Look for them tacos. Ah, we've got another taco over here. Keep going. It's for taco right there. Keep going. Any more tacos? Oh, look at that. It's a double dot. But that one's a little bit different, though. If we go back to our briefing, I don't see any loops over here. So that can't be it. All right, keep going. Let's see. Looking for our tacos. The taco's on the loose. We got to find the taco. We got to arrest that taco. And then we got to eat that taco. Oh, I found that taco. Just like that, right over here. And keep going. Any more tacos, tacos. Oh, whoa, there's a special taco. But this one's different. Well, this here is a ta. If it's by itself, in one instance, it would look like that. That's how we traditionally know it. But then you might find it, and it looks like that. It is a taco in disguise. What happened here is that whoever was holding this taco, they were so hungry that they squeezed it so hard, all of its toppings came out. And so, but it's still there, so you can always just open it back up and put everything back inside. But that's how you know that's a taco. And so, traditionally, we call this a ta. But just understand that that is a taco. We got the 2 dots. Any more tacos? And we got no more tacos, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed our hunt for tacos. And if you guys are hungry, go ahead and satiate that hunger. And if it is Ramadan, I am sorry. And but anyway, I want you to go ahead and go through this passage again, and I want you to tally up how many times taco comes up. And that way, you will become familiar with how it looks like in the beginning, in the middle, and the end. And just know that taco is a very social character. It likes to hold hands. It'll be connected with letters, and is also cool with being by itself, like you saw over here. And so just understand that you can find it in all kinds of situations. So be aware. All you got to do is look for those 2 dots. And those 2 dots need to not be, don't confuse it for that guy, because that is not taco. That is a different letter. And we'll cover that at a different time. So it's not this one, but it is those. Go ahead, tally it up. How many times does taco show up? I will see you in the next video. In the meantime, Assalamu alaikum.